NYXH is has given us some of the gains and ran up in this pre-market session of today, the 8th of April 2025. As you can see, it's currently up 24.24%. The company disclosed that it is actively addressing the validation of a process used with a component of its Genio obstructive sleep apnea treatment device at its U.S. manufacturing site ahead of a potential U.S. FDA marketing approval. The company said it is confident of completing the validation in the near term, with the application approval likely in the second quarter of this year. The FDA late last month issued an approvable letter with regard to Genio's pre-market approval application, and yes, the stock is on the move now for a change. It's not a low float stock. It's not a low float stock for a change. Okay, so this is its daily chart. The stock is okay. The underlying trend is still, I can say, it's bearish. So the stock is, as things stand right now, showing some strength within a longer term bearish trend. Just got a pivot at 5.79 yesterday. 5.79, 5.71 is a low, is a 52-week low. I think the stock has been constantly printing 52-week lows. Let's see, consistently, constantly printing at 52-week lows. Yes, 5.71. Let's see if that's a 52-week low. It seems it is a 52-week low. It is most certainly. It has been printing that for some time now. Just consistently, I would say, over the last couple of trading sessions. So just from there, that we have seen this spike. But if anything, they as you can see, this extrapolation of this 10 and 21 day moving averages, they have, even though they are projecting lower prices, they're projecting weakness, but they also have a price. They have a value for this spike now. They have a value for the current price of 7.1. So even though they are projecting weakness or whatever it is they're doing, when things change, they are there as well. So before now, you could say that they are projecting higher prices. They are projecting higher prices, even though it is with a bias to the downside, and that has now come into play now because suddenly news has come out and we have seen price that is at a decent premium, 20 something percent above this 52-week low of 5.74. Let's see now what's is there any projection in play. 10.41 is projected. 10.41 is projected. We have actually there that coincides with our own projection of 10.5, if you like. And then there's further upper projection where we have computed 12.58. Let's see what this is. 12.58. This is 11.12. So we have 12.58 and then 14.59. 14.59 on that. It's based on 4 hour chart, based on 4 hour data. Then what do we have here? We are seeing that let's see now. This is, it's indicating that the price pressure momentum of its 10-day moving average is projecting that we might begin to pick up, momentum from next from let's see now, from Friday. The momentum might begin to pick up. Maybe this has just come early. You know, we can try and have a look at other indicators. Let's look at the indicator for its 21-day moving average. And then let's extend it to 30 days in the future. Yeah, okay. So on a 10-day moving average, we're not getting, on a 21-day moving average, we're not really seeing any strength. It's weakness all the way. So maybe Something is going on there. It's what could that possibly be? What could that possibly be? The 10-day moving average is projecting that momentum. That moving average is going to accelerate, and then but the 21 day is not projecting that, so it's probably indicating that there might be rallies, there might be strength, might keep on playing out, but it wouldn't be sufficient to influence the 21-day moving averages. Maybe the sort of things we are looking at right now. Could it be? If this is if this is the case, 25% surely should influence the 10-day moving average, the 21-day moving average. But it's just I think so far I'm reading that we going by what I've seen, the 10-day the projection of its 10-day moving average and relative to its 21-day. I'm just seeing that maybe we are going to see intraday highs, volatility during the sessions, and then maybe not enough to really change the direction of the 21-day, stuff like that, but maybe with a bias to the downside and with things like that. We could just see, let's see what the um, indication of the 40-day moving average. We don't have the 40-day moving average on the chart now, but we could still have a look and see what it is saying. Okay, printed now. Let's extend it by 30 days. Future bars 30 days. Yes, same as well. Same as well. So yeah, if this is the case, maybe there might not be any point to look at the 200-day moving average, and all of them are just like the 21-day. This is projecting. We're not seeing crossovers as such. Okay, let's have a look at the 200-day moving average. I said wait, I don't have the 40-day moving average. There's a 40-day moving average here. This is the 40-day moving average, and this is the 200-day moving average. So this tracks the medium term. This tracks the long term. These two pretty much the short term. Yeah, I think this the 21-day you could say intermediate. Something in between the short term and the medium term. So let's have a look at the 200-day moving average. Let's see. Let's let's see what's indicating. Make this feature bar 30. I think there's an indication. There's an indicator there that is not draw deviation bands. Okay, so we have the future bars. We have yeah. So we have yeah, pretty much the same thing. Weakness is expected to remain in place based on the 200-day moving average on the long term. So this is as things stand right now. It could all suddenly totally change as well. So our upper projection we have is our upper projections we have 10.51, which coincides with the one on the stock, the machine learning projection, which is 10.41. We have 12.58, nothing like that on this daily chart, and then 14.59. So we can quickly have a look at the weekly, the 4-hour chart where we derived our own projections. Let's see what's here. Yeah, let's see. We have only 10.39. Okay, not far off from our own projection of 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, yeah. So nothing else. Strength is expected to kick in and keep on remain like that up till Thursday, the 17th of April for both the 21 and 10 period moving averages. So this hourly projections, they all lie uh, within one day. So maybe it's just saying maybe this stock is a good play. It's a stock that it's can be traded. It's a tradable stock. It provides the trading opportunities, but it's not an investment opportunity. It doesn't provide an investment opportunity. Just, if you like, a trading opportunity. You know, I can just apply the price pressure momentum for its 10 period moving average and see what we have. Let me see. Let me modify it and add down a few things. Use price difference. What's this? With that, draw predicted values. Feature bars, make it 30. Just, let's see. Let's make this. Yeah, there's something missing here. So there's an indicator there. That's a line that is missing there. So here as well, yeah, strength is projected. And we're seeing that a spike is projected by Thursday. Spike in momentum somewhere. One of those indicators. One of these. It's probably derivative. It's a derivative or something like that. Let me adjust this. We're missing. There's a third curve that is missing there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. So there's a validation that momentum will remain strong, but I want to believe that might also be the case on its 21 for its 21 period moving average. So see what you make of NYXH, and thank you very much for watching this video.